Hi, my name is Noreen O'Connell, founder and director of Biawiz.com. On our website, we have a page dedicated to people skills, an area that I have worked for over 25 years. This is one of a series of trainings on people skills and focuses on job descriptions. Writing effective job descriptions is a core skill for people managers. A job description is what a person is hired for. A question I often get, particularly from smaller businesses, is why and when do I need a job description? I recommend that you use job descriptions from the start, refreshing them as the organisation grows. There are many benefits to using job descriptions. Let's have a look at some of the main ones. Job descriptions allow you to clarify exactly what is expected in the role. If you don't use job descriptions and verbally communicate what's expected, what you communicate and what gets interpreted may not line up, as people have different frames of reference and listening skills. Job descriptions can motivate employees by placing importance on the job. The fact that the organisation has taken the time to cascade the strategy and operating requirements into jobs places importance on the role in the context of the organisation. When job descriptions align to strategy, delivery of the strategy speeds up. For this reason, it's important to keep job descriptions current. Job descriptions help with the justification of new roles and provide valuable information for hiring specifications. They also allow you to clearly outline to applicants their roles and responsibilities. Every time you are hiring, it is an opportunity to relook at the role and the competencies required. And it gives you the opportunity to position your company as a great place to work, motivating people to apply. Organizations also use job descriptions to assign levels and salaries to roles. A job description is what you are hired for, and your objectives specify what you are expected to deliver annually. These two processes are aligned. I will cover objectives separately in a training video. The immediate supervisor usually completes the job description. If the company is defining a role which has a job holder, then the job holder can complete the job description as they may be more familiar with the position. The immediate supervisor then validates the job description. Consistent job description templates are required across the organisation and are usually provided by HR. Let's have a look at the key areas included in a job description template. Include the job title, the function the job resides in, and where the role reports. Next, you have the job purpose. This is the main objective of the job in 1 to 2 sentences. It summarises the job, and it may be easier to do this last when all other details have been specified. Next, we have accountabilities and measures. This is a description of the main accountabilities in the role. Aim for no more than 6 main accountabilities, each with 3 to 4 bullet points of what's involved. Together, the accountabilities will represent the key outputs of the job. Focus on results, deliverables, and success factors rather than tasks and actions. And use action verbs for accountability statements. Capture the main relationships and interfaces that are necessary for successful delivery. Job descriptions do not include timelines. These are captured in the annual objectives. The next heading is job dimensions. This is about the scope and responsibility level in the job. So, for example, financial responsibility, staff responsibility, for example, the number of direct reports, customer responsibility, so how many customers are supported, and the complexity of this process. The expected relationships, both inside and outside the organisation, the technical and geographical dimensions of the role, the key challenges, and any other relevant quantitative information like quality, service, or project indicators. What freedoms and constraints apply to the role? What authority does the person have in decision-making? Does the job holder act independently or consult with others? And when does a higher authority have to be involved? If you would like to enhance capability in your organization and build trust in your teams, allow people the freedom to make decisions in their roles. The next heading is skills and experience. This includes years of experience, education, and the skills and competencies required in the role. Skills are critical to the success of an organization, as an organization is only as good as its people. Next is the organization chart. This shows where the role resides in the overall organization. Be sure and highlight both direct and dotted line reporting. This is a summary of the sections we covered in the job description template. You can download your free job description template on the Toolkits page of our website at the address shown. Job descriptions need to be written in terms that people understand, as if you are explaining the job to a friend. Job descriptions need to be concise and systematic. Job descriptions are very valuable documents for hiring, inducting a new employee, or if somebody has moved to a new role. There is no need to start from scratch with your job descriptions. There are many websites that provide sample job descriptions that are enormously helpful. On our People Trainings page, we have a section dedicated to hiring and induction. Here you will find links to sample job descriptions.